Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting with the Siennas Profusion palette. It's kind of messed up already. So I'm going to start with Oasis here. And for that I'm going to be using my Luxie brush. It's this one right here.
Got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
The next color I'm going to be using is Cryptic, and it's this one here. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild one, and it's this one right here.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the star cold.
So now I'm going to be using the color Groovy, and it's this one here. So for that one I'm going to be using this one right here, this brush. Because I am using glitter, I like to leave my face till the end. I'm gonna go back with this brush without adding nothing to it, just with what I have. Just gonna go over like that, and the same thing with Oasis. Just go over so I don't lose that color. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting my crease. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. And it's this one here, and it's in the color Buff Beige. I recently started using this concealer. One of my sister-in-laws was the one who told me about it, and I tried it and I like it so far. So now I'm going to be using this Luxie Precision Crease Brush, and I want to mark kinda where I want it. I'm gonna be grabbing Groovy again, which is a brown shadow. This one here, and this one's from BH Cosmetics, and it's the number 10. I'm gonna grab some of that shadow, and I'm just gonna be going over that brown shadow that we have here. So real carefully, I'm just gonna be adding a little more, just so it could stand out a little more. Going to be applying a blue shadow before I apply the glitter. So the blue shadow I'm going to be using is from Millani, and it's called Bella Teal, and it looks like this. It's like a nice shimmery shadow, and the number is 21. It has some shimmer in it, so it's perfect. I'm going to be using the Luxie 239 Precision Shader, and it looks like this. It's dirty because I used it for the other eye. And I'm just going to be dabbing that color there. I have a lot of these single shadows. Well, not like, oh my god, but I believe I have like 10 different colors, and I really, really like them. If you wet them, if you wet your brush too, like, they look really, really nice. But we're gonna use this one like that. Add some brown on the outer edge of the shadow, and we're gonna grab that same brown that we've been using, Groovy, this one, and I'm just gonna be putting it over that blue. Just gonna give us a nice diffusion look to it, because it has like the undertone blue, the blue teal undertone, so it's gonna make it look pretty. Oh my god, I mean, in camera it looks really, really nice, but in person, oh my god, like the glitter, like I love, love, love this look. Okay, so just like that, and just bring it out a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add the glitter. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is the JCat, this one. I don't have the name of it because I ripped out the little tape. Because I don't want it to get as messy, I do have little clear containers like this. And I like to apply the glitter on the cap. Okay, and for glue, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer. This glue is perfection. I love, love, love this one. Like, a little goes a long way, guys. Like, you don't even need too much. So just start doing it little by little. A wild flat brush in here. Grab my little mirror on the side. And I'm going to be applying it everywhere where the blue shadow is at. So I'm just going to turn it around and I'm going to use that side. And start pressing the glitter in. I'm trying not to go here because I am going to apply some liner there. And I'm pretty sure you guys know already that if you add glitter all the way to the bottom of your eyelid and you put eyeliner on top, it looks pretty ugly. Like, your eyeliner doesn't even look nice, so yeah, that's why I don't like going all the way under. So now what I'm going to do to add the rest of the glitter, I'm not going to press it like this because then it's not going to blend. I want it to look blendable on the outside. You know, it makes it look nice. We're going to switch brushes for that. And I'm going to be using the BMX 466 shading brush. And this is the Moda Pro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of that glue that I have. I'm just going to dab it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the glitter. Dab it. So add a little bit of glitter. And little by little, you're going to be adding it. Go back with that groovy brown shadow. You're going to go over a little bit on that glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all these little, well, try to get rid of the most little glitter speckles that I have over my face. If you guys have used glitter before, you guys know that's so annoying to have little glitter specks all over you. So I tried my best to remove them. I went ahead and cleaned the outer of my eye to make it look a little more sharp. Now I'm going to be adding my liner. So the liquid liner I'm going to be using is the Eyeshadow London in black. So I'm going to shake it a little bit.
I see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So now I'm going to be adding some mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal. Meanwhile, my mascara sits a little bit. I'm going to be grabbing those same colors and adding them to the bottom of my eyes. So I'm going to be grabbing Oasis, then I'm going to move on to Cryptic, and then Groovy. Using this brush, the BH Cosmetics number 10.
The Stockholm lights.
So now I'm going to be applying that blue teal color in the inner part of my eye.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two.
Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes. You guys know I'm using the Star Glue one.
I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is...
Okay guys, so I already have moisturizer on and I did apply some pore minimizers. Now I'm going to be using my foundation, and lately I've been using this one, the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Oh my god guys, this is my favorite foundation right now. I love it. So I'm just going to add a little bit. I don't really add a lot. It's like that. If anything, probably like a little more. Another little drop. And this literally covers my face. So I'm going to be using my flat foundation brush. This one right here. It's a little dirty, guys. Excuse my dirty brushes. I need to clean my face brushes already.
Tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the
powder,
stuff the world is
and I'm going to be using this beauty blender here. That's the one that I use for my translucent powder.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Gonna apply some highlighter, and I'm using the Precious Petals from Wet n Wild. I'll be using this one from Sonia Kashuk. So apply that one there. So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl in black. It's this little tiny one.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
And now I'm gonna add some black shadow, or some brown actually. So I'm gonna be using the same brush of Beige Cosmetics that I used earlier. I'm gonna be grabbing that color Groovy, and I'm gonna be mixing it with Cozy.
And going back, it doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
And now I'm gonna be removing the big powder, at least from under my eyes. I do still have some glitter specks here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I'm telling you, when you guys use glitter, they go everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. So to get rid of a little, I'm gonna grab a little spoolie. Just flick them off. You guys know I use 3 mascaras for the bottom. I'll go ahead and remove the powder. Okay. Try not to make it as noticeable, so kind of blend it. That way you don't have that harsh line. I'm gonna move on to lips. Since I do want the focus to be on the eyes, I do want to go with a nude lip. Okay, so I'm gonna be grabbing the Sormay in Cognac 26.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
So the lipstick I'm gonna be using is in Nude Embrace in the number 650, and it's a matte from Maybelline. I love this nude. My lip brush.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
Okay, so this is a finished look. I hope that you guys like this eyeshadow look that I did for you guys today. I really, really like the colors. I feel like it brings me, you know, a pop to my eyes. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.